Hi, my name is Caleb Farrow, and we are deep in the backcountry skinning and skiing. I'm gonna give you guys some of my favorite tips for using the Skydio R1. First off, we're in the backcountry, so you're gonna wanna bring a backpack so you don't have to carry it with you when you're skinning. I like to bring an extra battery so I know that I'm gonna get the shot. For the best audio, I like to use headphones with a microphone. The Skydio R1 merges the audio and the footage within the app to give you a nice, clean aerial shot with clean audio. So even though we're in the snow, we recommend that it's not snowing when you're flying your R1. As you can tell today, it's a beautiful, clear, calm day, so we really are getting some awesome shots. We recommend flying the Skydio R1 in winds below 12 miles an hour. That will give you the smoothest, cleanest shots. Cold weather definitely impacts the performance of the battery on the R1, so I always keep an extra one in my pocket, close to my body, to keep it warm, and that will give me the optimal flying times. My favorite feature of the R1 is hand launching. You don't have to put it on the ground, you can take it off right from your hand. So one of the modes that I like to use when I'm skiing tight trees is the follow mode. The R1 will be able to navigate through tighter objects when you're in follow mode. Another rad mode of the R1 is the orbit mode. When we got to the top of our run today, we did an orbit shot, and it gives you a nice panoramic 360 shot of your surroundings. Landing R1 is easy. When I'm done with my run, I find a clear, open area. I like to land it on my backpack. Just swipe down on the app. Once you get all this awesome footage, sharing it is really easy within the app. You pick your in and out point, and it'll save right to your camera roll, making it easy to push to Instagram and your other social accounts. Now you're ready to take your R1 on the slopes. We'll see you out there. Swipe up, press down, subscribe, you know what to do. I'm out here with Bad Girl something something, Chrissy K, Pat Stahl, Kendall Remington, Caleb Farrow. Is that good? Yep.